Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to earn money online. We'll break it down in simple terms so you can explore various ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. Section 1, Freelancing. Alright, folks, let's kick things off with freelancing. Freelancing is all about offering your skills and services online. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or even a social media whiz, there's a gig waiting for you. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients worldwide. Section 2, Online Surveys and Market Research. Another way to earn a bit of extra cash is by participating in online surveys and market research. Companies are eager to hear your opinion, and they're willing to pay for it. Look into platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research to get started. Section 3, Content Creation. If you have a passion for creating content, why not turn it into a source of income? Whether you're into vlogging, blogging, or social media, platforms like YouTube, WordPress, and Instagram offer opportunities to earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Section 4, Online Tutoring. Sharing your knowledge with others can be quite lucrative. If you're an expert in a subject, consider online tutoring. Websites like Chegg Tutors, Wizant, and VIPKid can help you connect with students looking for guidance. Section 5, E-commerce and Dropshipping. Selling products online has never been easier. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce let you set up your own online store. For those who don't want to deal with inventory, consider dropshipping. You sell products, but the supplier handles shipping and inventory management. Section 6, Remote Work. The remote work landscape has grown tremendously, with more companies offering remote positions. Check job boards like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and Flex Jobs for opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Section 7, Investing and Trading. If you're willing to put some money to work, you can explore the world of online investing and trading. Platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade make it accessible for beginners to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and more. Section 8, Virtual Assistants. Becoming a virtual assistant is another great option. You can help businesses with tasks like data entry, customer support, and administrative work. Websites like Time Etc. and Belay can help you find virtual assistant positions. Conclusion. There you have it, a quick overview of various ways to earn money online. Remember, success may not come overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can turn your online ventures into a source of income. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money and improving your financial well-being. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy earning!